Bigla kang nagkaroon ng bilog-bilog na poknat.
Here we go with Doc Bennett, episode 59.
Minsan ang cause ay alopecia areata, isang autoimmune type of hair loss kung saan ang immune system mismo ang umaatake sa hair follicles. This is where JAK inhibitors may come in. For the right patient, pwede silang magbigay ng impressive results, pero hindi ito ordinary hair vitamins, hindi ito hair growth serum, and definitely hindi ito basta-basta. So paano siya gumagana? Sa alopecia areata, may inflammatory signals na nagtitrigger sa immune system to attack the hair follicles. Ang ginagawa ng JAK inhibitor is they help block some of those signals para humupa ang inflammation. And kapag humupa ang inflammation, doon natin minsan nakikita ang hair regrowth, even in some severe cases. Pero importanteng malinaw ito, hindi siya para sa lahat ng hair loss. Kung ang cause ng hair loss mo ay genetic baldness, stress shedding, hormonal changes, nutritional deficiency, or ibang scalp condition, iba ang treatment approach. And most importantly, hindi ito dapat i-self-medicate. Prescription medication ito. Kailangan ng proper diagnosis, screening, monitoring, and doctor's guidance because may possible side effects and risk na kailangan bantayan. Kaya bago ka maengganyo sa mga social media hair transformation videos, make sure muna na tama ang diagnosis mo. Once again, this is Dr. Bennett, your go-to hair restoration specialist. If you have more hair questions, comment below and we'll answer it properly based on science and not trends.